So let's start with the mechanics. So you have been following all the process that we did with the body of this nice Duetto. And now here you have all the mechanics already refurbished. So as you can see, everything is looking brand new as it was. We will show the images before and then the images after once we have everything ready. But let me come here to the camera so you can see that, well, with my dirty hands that I had to, to stop doing another stuff to show this, but yeah, look how nice it is. And yeah, I mean, we're gonna build now the left side. Come with me, follow me. I want to show you the right side because we already did it. I don't know if we're gonna have enough light, but I hope yes. So you can see, we have all the mechanics and all the bolts and nuts marked as they are tightened as they should. And yeah, let's continue. Let's enjoy what we really enjoy. Let's go. you arrived here, give us a like and follow us. You did it? Come on, give us a like. So before you are asking, here we are. We're putting some weight to tight the suspension. So without this, I mean, it's quite difficult to do. So yeah, right side done. Let's do the right side. So here we are. Really delighted to show you. Look at that. I hope you can see it on camera. So from Roberlo, our new partner from paint and everything related on bodywork repairs, Alfa Romeo from the Rosso Alfa, we have created a really special color for this Alfa Romeo Duetto. Look at that. I don't know if you're gonna see it as I'm gonna see it through the camera and the TV and the phone, but look at that. It's insane, the color that we have finally created. Look at that. It's a red pearl that we did like 23, 25 samples, and I'm gonna show where they have created and who painted the samples, because it's a robot and it's an amazing process that Roberlo has in the factory. It's 20 minutes from us, more than 50 years working in this field, and yeah, I mean, we are really excited to start working with them and doing such a nice experience with all these products and, well, the high quality that they have. So let's start. Let's go inside. Let's start painting all the inside that we're gonna do. We're gonna paint all the insides of the Alfa so we can fit all the electrics, we can fit the engine, and after that we're gonna work all the outside. So yeah, let's continue and let's fit that in here if I can, because that's gonna be a little bit tricky. Yeah. We're gonna be two in the same cabin painting, because it's full of little gaps and spaces that, well, we need to be two to finalize as soon as possible, because as it's a pearl, you need to give the same layer everywhere. So we're gonna split in two, front and rear and sides. Let me clean that. So yeah, it's super color. It's gonna shine as hell. I'm really proud of what we did. And it was really hard to decide, but here it is. Special car, brand new, special color. We have that many bubbles because I have shake it a lot before opening it, so it was my fault to create that. But that's why we're gonna filter everything. So you have any little spot of dry paint or whatever, it can be around. Fit a little bit more. So let's degrease everything. Again, actually it's already degreased, but let's do it twice. We're gonna decrease, we're gonna blow, so everything is clean, ready to go.